Set in Shelburne's sought-after Deer Run neighborhood, this thoughtfully updated 4-bedroom home offers the perfect balance of comfort, flexibility, and convenience. Natural light fills the living room, where vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace create a warm gathering space. Hardwood floors flow throughout the main level, connecting the dining area, spacious kitchen with stainless appliances, and extends out onto the screened-in porch. A flexible den or TV room ideal for remote work or relaxing at the end of the day. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths provide flexible living space. Recent upgrades include a new roof, heat pumps, and improved drainage systems. With nearby trails, Shelburne Village just minutes away, and easy access to Burlington, UVM Medical Center, and the airport, this home offers an exceptional opportunity to enjoy life in one of Vermont's most desirable communities.